is when I just took some pictures, and right there.
Sky, wake up! You were sleeping, and apparently.
Well, they got severe thunderstorm warnings and everything around our area right now, and I just had that beautiful cloud that just come through. I just punched the core and went through it again. Let's see what they have to say about this one. This might be our severe thunderstorm warning for here again. I'm trying to find some hail, and I haven't found any, so this isn't a severe storm, but it looks good though. So there's dropping tornado warnings. Not around here, but I worked all day, so I couldn't get in position. I wanted to go up towards Kinston today, and that's where they're getting the weather right now. But it's all good. So I'm driving back towards the house.